If you're running LDPlayer on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and performance feels inconsistent, lag, low FPS, stutters, yeah, the OS settings matter more than most people think. In this guide, I'll show you how to optimize LDPlayer specifically for Windows 10 and Windows 11 in 2026. Let's get started. First, set Windows to high performance mode. Balanced or power saver modes can limit CPU speed, which directly hurts emulator performance. Next, disable unnecessary startup apps. Too many background services at startup can cause LDPlayer to lag even before you open a game. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab, set CPU cores to 2 or 4 depending on your PC. For RAM, 4 to 6 gigabytes is ideal for Windows 10 and 11. Avoid maxing everything out. Stability matters more than raw numbers. Now choose the graphics rendering mode. If you have a dedicated GPU, DirectX usually works best. If you're on integrated graphics, OpenGL can be more stable. After switching, restart LDPlayer so the change fully applies. Set resolution to 720p or 900p, set DPI around 240. Windows 11 especially likes to scale things higher by default, which can reduce FPS. So yeah, keep it reasonable. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These options can cause stutter on both Windows 10 and 11, especially after system updates. Finally, make sure virtualization is enabled. Also disable Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Sandbox if they're on. These Windows features can conflict with LDPlayer and reduce performance. And that's it. With these tweaks, LDPlayer should run smoother and more stable on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LDPlayer optimization guides on the channel. See you next time.